Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to continue a topic from metallurgy, that is what is metallurgy and how extraction is done. Okay, so let us start with what is metallurgy. The science and technology regarding the extraction of metals from ores. We will see what are ores and their purification for the use is called as metallurgy. So what we are extracting? Metals. From where we are extracting? From ores. And what we are doing? We are purifying the extracted metals. This process is called as, this technology is called as metallurgy. Now let's see, where do these metals are formed. Most metals, being reactive, do not occur in free state in nature, but are found in combined state as their salts such as oxides, carbonates, sulfides and nitrates. Okay, so metal oxides, metal carbonates, like that. However, the most unreactive metals that are not affected by air, water and other natural factors like silver, gold, platinum, they generally occur in their free state. The compounds of metals that occur in nature along with the impurities are called as minerals. Followed, students? The minerals from which the metal can be separated economically, they are called as ores. Right? What are minerals? Here, the compounds of metals that occur in nature along with the impurities are called as minerals. Then the minerals from which metal can be separated economically are called as ores. These ores contain many types of impurities such as soil, sand and rocky substances along with the metal compounds. These impurities are called as gong, right? Metals can be extracted from their ores by means of various methods of separation, which we are going to see what are the different methods of separation. The process of extraction of metal in pure state from the ores is also a part of metallurgy. These ores are taken out from the mines and the gong is usually separated from the ore at the site itself by various methods. Means all the soil, sand and rocky substances will be separated at the site only. Correct? Using different methods. Then these ores are carried out to the place where metals can be produced. Their metals are extracted in pure form. Then metals are further purified by different methods of purification. This entire process is called as metallurgy. Followed, students? So what has happened? What we studied, that metals, they are not occurring in free state in nature. They will be present as oxides, carbonates, sulfides or nitrates. Correct? Now once they are along with some impurities, they are called as minerals. Now such minerals from where we can extract the metal, they are called as ores. Now these ores contain some impurities like soil, sand and rocky substances. This is called as, these impurities are called as gong. Okay. Then ores which are taken, the gong can be separated from that at the site of extraction only. Then these ores will be taken to a place where metals can be produced. You can use different methods of purification. We will study the methods as well. The entire process comes under the technology of metallurgy. Followed? So what are the basic principles of metallurgy? First, pure metal is obtained from the ore by the following stages. Firstly, you concentrate the ore, you extract the metal and then you refine the metal. So 3 steps: concentration of ores, extraction of metal from the ores and refining the metals. What are ores? Ores are basically the minerals from which you can extract the metal economically, right? That are ores. Followed? Now in the next video we will see the processes which help us in concentrating the ores, extracting the metals and refining the metals. Followed, students? Thank you so much for watching the video.